guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just joined the air fryer again, and I got this air fryer from my vendor that I usually buy all my kitchen utensils from and all. And she recommended this silver crest air fryer for me that is going to last me well and all, and it works properly. I won't lie, like since I got it, I've been using it, but I've never made a video on how it works and all that. So today we're going to be grilling some chicken with this air fryer. So, and since I got this air fryer, it has reduced the way I use oil, like I fry things and all that. So today we're going to be making some grilled chopped chicken actually. So just stay with me and watch. So first, I already washed my chicken and I already cut them. My hands are clean. I already washed them and I packed them dry. But you know now, chicken will always keep bringing out some liquid, so I'm going to drain this out. Then first thing, I even packed it dry. So the next one I'm going to be going in with melted butter. I like using melted butter because the taste is always different from using vegetable oil or any other oil. So I always prefer using melted butter. Okay, before adding all other ingredients. So first, then I'm going to be adding in some parsley. Since it's a soft chicken, I don't need to cook to like cut through it. So when you are seasoning it, just season with your heart. You know what is going to be enough for the quantity of chicken you are using. Season with your heart, as I always say. Some paprika, some barbecue spice, just a little bit. Then I like using cinnamon, like I don't know, it gives me a different flavor entirely. Some cinnamon, some white pepper. I want it spicy. Some white pepper. Season with your heart, don't forget. Some ginger powder, and if you have fresh ginger and garlic, you can also use that. Some garlic powder. There's no rush, just take your time. Some black pepper, like I want enough of it because I want it spicy. And we're going to be using some chili pepper. Okay, this is Cameroon pepper. I made a mistake. We're using some chili pepper. Then add in some chicken seasoning. Depending on your preference, if you don't like it, you can just, if you don't want it too sweet, just use a bit and use some salt. And don't forget, don't put too much salt or too much chicken seasoning because your barbecue, if you are using barbecue spice is already kind of sweet. Even if it's soya spice, it's already kind of sweet to an extent. So I'm going to set this aside and add some, just a little bit, no more, like a tablespoon of light soy sauce. Just drizzle it in a bit. It's going to actually enhance the whole sweetness. And I'm going to be using my glove to massage everything in. Massage it in. And if you know you like pepper, please add more. Just, you know what you like, you know how you like your seasoning, you know how you like your salt, you know how you like your pepper and all. Just season with your heart. Your heart will never mislead you, as they say. So just massage everything in. You can see how it is now. Massage. And you can decide to marinate it for 2 hours or you marinate overnight. It's always better when you marinate overnight. So let's say you need it tomorrow, you can marinate it tonight and just leave it in your fridge. Cover and leave. You can cover with a cling film. If you don't have a cling film, if the bowl you are using has, if there is a cover for it, cover it. And if not, you can use a foil paper. So I think we're good. Then we drizzle in our melted butter again. Just a bit. Then massage. Massage, 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 massage. Make sure you mix everything properly. Then we're going to leave this for 20 minutes. So while we're waiting, sorry, excuse me, wash my hand. So while we're waiting for our chicken to marinate properly, now to operate the air fryer, you're going to put it on. Then for the timing, they already have some automatic, let me use the word speed dial instructions. We have the one for pizza, for nuts, for chips, for meat, and to warm. So what I do basically, because I'm still trying to get my way around it to understand it better, and I think every day by day that I use it, it gets better. So this is meat. Meat has 28 minutes. If you want more minutes, just add the timing. I'm going to be using 45 minutes because I like my chicken soft. This is 45 minutes. Then to change the degree centigrade, the hotness. Okay, so I'm using my gen, and this is the first time I'm actually going to make use of the gen with it. So now what I'm doing basically now, this is 205 degrees centigrade. So what I'm doing basically now, I'm just like preheating my oven. So out of the 45 minutes that I set it for, okay, 46 minutes that I set, I'm actually going to use 10 minutes out of it to preheat my air fryer. So while that is happening, the chicken too will be marinating. So I'm going to cover the chicken. So it's going to wait. So when it is 36 minutes, then we just put in our chicken. So we're back. Now that we have preheated the air fryer, so I'm going to actually lay it with a foil. If you have a parchment paper, that's the best to lay your oven or your, what's it called, your air fryer. So I'm going to just put in the chicken. One step. So depending on how big your air fryer is, because you don't have to, you can't overcrowd it. Shouldn't be too crowded, you get. So there has to be space for them to cook. Let me move the camera closer. So that is it. So you have to give it time, like space. There has to be space for it. There has to be space. Enough space. Okay. So I think this too. I can put in everything. So like this is a 6-liter air fryer. It's not as big as you would have thought. So I'm putting it in, and I'm going to wait. When the time is, when it's past the set time, that's the after the 34 minutes, we'll check and then change it again, like turn it to the other side, then grill. Keep watching. So it's time up. You see, so I'm just going to turn it. So So it's remaining here. It's quite cooked, but not properly. So I'm going to put it with some butter again. And little butter is getting solid. Okay. What else are you blending? Okay, so our chicken is ready. We can enjoy our chicken with anything, any food of our choice, with jollof rice, fried rice. I can even eat it like that, or eat with some chips, french fries. So you can try out this recipe and let me know. Please give me a feedback when you try or when you get your own air fryer. And if there's any question, you can feel free to actually ask me anything, any question. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and click the like button. Bye. So here is the finished look. It's so soft, no blood, nothing. Everything is properly cooked, like to the bone, so you can actually break your bone. So air fryer is actually good. Yummy. Let's take a look now. Take a look. What else are you looking for? Try yours out now and let us see. See? Perfect.